This is a derivation for the area of a triangle. Now, most people understand the area of a triangle to be a half base times height, right? Base times height over 2. But what if the base isn't known, or what if the height isn't known? The height, of course, would be an altitude coming down from point B here on a triangle ABC, and across from point B, we have the base here. I like using point B there so that the opposite side is B for base. The opposite side to point A is side A, and the opposite side to point C is side C. All right, now we have a height here, the altitude. And while we may not know it, we can still use that height to figure out what the area of this triangle is. If we consider the primary trigonometric ratios for this triangle, we have SO, CA, TOA. The sine of angle A in this case is going to be the opposite side, the height, over the hypotenuse, which is side C here. So the sine of angle A, opposite over hypotenuse, is equal to the height over side C. If we rearrange that primary trigonometric ratio for the height, we would say that C sine theta is equal to H. Now we can do a substitution of the height into our area equation, but instead of height, we have C sine theta, or C sine A, all over 2.